Between the previous process and the following process, wait time is required owing to process characteristics and constraints. We set the time relationships between these operations in the Integrated Master Editor table. The pre-press process should be assigned the day prior to the printing process or earlier. This is what it looks like when the plate required for the next day is prepared the previous day. In order to factor in this constraint, we set the time constraint method and time constraint in the Integrated Master Editor table. For example, even if the printing operation is assigned from a given time on a given day, the pre-press process operation is assigned one or more days in advance. For the laminating process, some extra time is reserved to allow the paint applied during printing to stabilize before lamination is performed. An interval of 4 hours or more is set between the printing process and the laminating process operations. An interval of 6 hours or more is set between the laminating process and the slitting process operations, because we want to wait until the laminated film properly bonds first. At least 1 hour is required between the slitting process and the bag making operations for moving. In this way, scheduling that takes into consideration the working time of each process is possible. The working time setting until now has been 24-hour operation during weekdays. Let's change to day shifts according to the actual calendar. When we change the calendar, the working times are changed. The non-gray portions are non-working time. The printing machines and the like are stopped during these time spans. When a reschedule is executed, the operations are assigned along the gray working times. In this way, scheduling that takes into account the time relationships between operations and the working times of resources can be done.